6:30, and pretty sure I'm the first one at work this morning. Working early shift. Gonna go bake some goods. Make some coffee.
So today's Saturday and Tony's at work and we have just been doing some catch-up stuff, right? So, you did watch some TV. What did you watch TV about?
Whales, and which one?
Well, the first one was like this little Nat Geo show on Disney Plus. I don't know the name of it, but it was like a kid's scuba diving thing, wasn't it? There was one thing we watched before that. What was it?
Whales.
We did watch a lot about whales this week because we have been doing a
Working
unit
on
study
the whale.
on whales. And we found these cute little whales at Target last night. And it also has sharks with it, but you know, right now we're interested in the whales. What kind of whale is this?
Blue whale.
A blue whale. And this one should have a blowhole. Can't really see it.
Wait,
It should
Mama.
have a blowhole.
Mama, there it is. Right there.
Yeah, that might be.
It's right there. You can't see it.
I'm gonna
Mommy, I gotta
start
show the
actual
orca.
school
Mama, I gotta show him the orca.
with Charlotte May on September 6th, I think is the day I want to start.
Mama, where's the orca?
Alfie had the orca. That was his favorite.
Alfie's favorite whale is orca.
The orca. Yeah, he likes the orca. Oh.
This is orca.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. This is time by orca. The whale.
It's a whale.
Yeah, they're me.
Welcome to my yellow kitchen. I think that's what we're going to title this. I think that would be funny. So today I have my last music recital at the School of Music. It has been my dream for 6.5 years to have a cookie party. Nothing else, no other food is allowed, just cookies. And Amy Jackson, my employer, has now allowed it since I'm leaving. So I'm making cookies today, and I'm going to show you my beautiful outfit because, like, I don't know if you know this, but my drip is on a whole different level. Here's my Christmas apron with my actual outfit that I'm going to wear, which is like my Done School of Music shirt. And my skirt so that I don't get dirty while I'm baking. There you go. I'm making my favorite pan cookie by Christina Tossi, and these are my favorite ones. They are the bars cookies that you make it like in a sheet pan, and so it's super easy, really fun. So I'm gonna take you with me while I do this. Side note, it's 2 o'clock and I'm still drinking coffee. All right, so I've added my butter and my sugar. I am going to cream the butter and the sugar together until it's like crazy whipped. Okay, so I think that from my research, where a lot of people go wrong with cookies is right at the beginning. When you're creaming the sugar and the butter together, everything that I've learned says you can always go longer on creaming the butter and sugar. You want it something called, I can't say this word right, homogeneous. That sounds right. Okay, so you want it that combined, like it can take a while. So this took me 5 minutes. And so I'll show you what that looks like. So it almost kind of looks like a butter or like a cream. And that's what you want. You want it really combined, creamy texture because that's gonna make your cookies really fluffy. Just take me up on that. Just do it. It's gonna be good. That's all the wet ingredients. Now we're gonna add the dry.
You made this? Daddy, you made this.
Are you satisfied?
Yes. They just now need to hurry up and cool.
Alfie, where are we going? Mommy has her last recital.
Yeah.
Tonight is Anna Barbara's last violin recital at the School of Music. You excited for Mommy?
Yeah.
It's gonna be good, right?
What?
Get thumbs up.
Because this is Miss Anna Barbara's last recital with us. Everybody get your tissues out. She has just been such a blessing to the school and both to me personally as well. And so let's just give her a little bit. After you play, keep your violins at your seat very carefully. Because at the end, you know my tradition. So, that's all I'm going to say. Okay, so this is an impromptu surprise, so we're going to have Miss Anna Barbara play. How about that?
So, Barbara, how'd your last recital go?
Oh, good. They did a good job.
Did you have fun?
Yes. I was so proud of them. They did so good.
Alfie, where are we?
My home.
At El Charo? Or what are you gonna eat? Chips?
Thank you for the shade.
You're welcome.
Shotman, you coming?
Yes. I'm done. Mommy, your phone.
What's up?
Daddy, look, I drink you.
What did you do?
I drank all your blood.
What did you do?
I squeezed it. Washed it.
Oh yeah.
What is that? That's silly.
Oh, quesadilla. I'm gonna grab one. Then I'm gonna.
Then we're just playing with this again.
Good. Good night to you.
Okay, so I kind of want to get a little deep because I think this vlog is so fun and I just love my husband for doing it. I think he is doing an awesome job. But I think sometimes we need to go a little bit deeper. And sometimes there are moments that we need deep-seated thoughts, deep-seated prayers, because there are things going on in the world that are so much bigger than me baking cookies, or, you know, finding something fun to vlog about. And right now, I just keep finding myself every time that I'm cooking a meal or baking something, I am just so burdened that there are women, there are mothers in the world right now who are not. And yeah, I can complain about my yellow countertops that are stained, but there's so much more to life than yellow, than countertops and Instagram filters and baking cookies. I feel absolutely burdened for the mothers who are running for their lives and giving their children over the walls and trying to find them somewhere better to be. And the Lord knows He's with us. We have a God who is near, and He draws near to us. And even in the mundane, I think that is a call to prayer. I think that is what we are called to do as mothers and as women. And in the mundane, when we can't do anything, when we're serving our families and when we're serving our communities, we pray. We are women called to prayer. If you feel a challenge to pray more for what is going on in the world, but you feel like you have no time, it's here. It's in the simple, in the washing the dishes, in the making the beds, in the praying with our children. Because there is no prayer wasted. And there are a lot of people right now that need it. And we need to go for them. We need to stand up for them. We are not just keepers of the house. We are prayer warriors. We are prayer warriors. We are the gatekeepers, and we allow our children to know what's going on if we want to, if you want to. I do. So regularly we stop and we pray for the world, for Afghanistan, for Cuba, for Chile. And I think that is absolutely crucial to life.